amakhosikazi they are not empowered. Amakhosikazi when coming to decision making, amakhosikazi they are not there. They are not involved. You understand? Sithathelwa ama-decisions. Yeah, that one it's totally wrong. Even our leadership really faneke bayayibona nabo ukuthi it's wrong ukuthi umfazi phakathi kwamadoda ay7 umfazi abe1. It's totally wrong because lento iyehlela phansi ize iyofika down kuma videos whereby uthola kuyi boys choir expression deliberately because abo baba they are afraid of us. Abo mama angithi masenze izinto senza izinto zenzeke. Uyabona namanje if you can see kwi organization yonke iphelele ukuthi which structure esigijimayo.
Sanibonani dumelang, hello and welcome to Umkhonto Wesizwe Women's League podcast. I'm your host. Now this is where we are going to unpack the intersections of politics, leadership and empowerment in the movement and particularly also in South Africa. Now today, Renale, we are sitting with Undlunkulu. We are sitting with the president of the Women's League and she goes by the name of Uma Mabel Mkhwekane, who's popularly known as Shirley Brown. Mama Lega. Mom, I'm so honored to be in your presence and thank you so much for joining us. Just tell us, who is Mom Mabel? Who just tell us about, we just want to know before us about the president of the Women's League. So Mom Mabel.
Oh, Mom Mabel. Usisi owazalwa eBinoni eDaveyton.
Okay.
Ngikhulele khona eDaveyton ngangena khona isikolo.
Okay.
La kwahamba ngadibana nento zepolitiki.
Okay.
La ukuthi ngangimela abafundi. I was in COSAS.
Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
Iyo nje into engayisho. I'm from Daveyton. And I was involved in politics when I was at school. Yeah, but from high school, I started to be involved with politics. Yes.
From high school already, we saw phakathi kwama politics. We're talking what age?
Mangphuma kwi primary.
Okay.
Ngiphuma kwi primary nje enlightened.
Okay.
Yes, ukuthi kune courses and so and so. Immediately ngena eloneni ngaba
active
in politics. Ngaba ku courses. La I was leading. I was one of the leaders in courses. Si leader ama students and esilela amalungelo ama students.
Sure.
And that time we were talking about Gata education. Yes, with away with Gata education.
Asifuni.
Yes, asifuni. Until la kufika khona kubanzima. La amabhunu ke was harassa left, right and center. La sasithola ngiboshwa. Ngaboshwa okokuqala ama-lawyer askipper. Okwesithu mangiboshwa bangicharge under Terrorism Act.
Section 29.
Section 29.
Mama ngicela uthi you say ukuthi naqala ukuboshwa and at the same time uthe uqala ama politics while you're still young. This is high school. At what age? What age are we looking at?
Yeah, by the age of 14 bese ngiyazi ngama politics.
14.
Yes.
Sure.
By the age of 14.
Okay.
Yeah, but ngaqala ukuba active kakhulu mase 16 17.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kula uboshwe khona.
Yeah.
Under the section 29.
Under the section 29.
And
after that, section 29, it's a terrorism act. You can go to Robben Island or wherever laba valela khona abafazi or you can be killed.
Sure.
Those days, amabhunu, they had no mercy. Bebabulala nje. Bebabulala bafake jail.
That was the aim.
Yeah, and we decided to leave the country. We ran away. And masi hamba.
Yeah.
besisayina, bengihamba ngiyosayina ekuseni e-police station, entambama ngihambe ngiyosayina. Ngalelo langa masizohamba ngasayina, sahamba sayosayina ekuseni because sasibanjwe as leaders.
Yeah.
Sahamba sasayina ekuseni, entambama hayi azange basibone because the masiceda ukusayina sabe sibheka indlela.
Oh. Sure. So mawuthi you nibalekile. Nabaleka la naya kuphi? Where you said you went out of the country naya kuphi?
Yeah, masuka lana sithe masuka sahamba sathatha i-train from Benoni Station.
Okay.
Benoni Station to Emalelane, Komati-Port.
Yeah.
La sasiyothola khona i-contact
Okay.
yethu la babethe khona umuntu osofika sihlangane naye. Bese ke lo muntu uyasithatha asibonise indlela yokuskipa ukuthi kumele siphume ngakuphi. Safika eMalelane, masifika estation, masifika etrainini kwakusentambama manje. Masifika estation akusenamuntu estation but khona umuntu esimbonayo umile lapha ubhuti nje, uyabona. Hayi manje siyasaba ukuya kuye. Hayi asondele lo bhuti athi sanibonani, sithi yebo, asibuze ukuthi sibuyaphi. Sithi wena ubani? Athi hayi ngiyabuza nje ukuthi nibuyaphi. Sithi hayi thina sibuya eLonene eTransvaal.
Okay.
We're from Benoni, Davidson. Athi okay, no, it's fine. Bengicela-ke ukuhamba nani ngilandeni. Ngitsheliwe ukuthi khona umuntu ozonilanda ngithi. Sathi yebo. Wahamba nathi-ke. Makahamba nathi safika la hlala khona. Masifika hlala khona sathola omunye umkhulu nje bekayimpunga. Hayi sifike sihlale sibulisa umkhulu asi-introduce umkhulu wathi baba naba ke sengibala nje. Hayi mkhulu axoxe nathi bekakhuluma iSwati, uyabona, but besimuzwa ukuthi uthini. Hayi sihlale-ke silale. Masilala ekuseni ubhuti lo ahambe bekayothenga izinkwa, ayothenga nephepha. Hayi makafika eshop athola iphepha, mayithi iphepha nawa amagama ethu ngaphandle ney'thombe buSowetan, buCitizen, wonke amaphepha ukuthi high and low.
Oh,
Labantu laba bayafuneka. Kwathiwa nje singasaphumi, singaphumeli ngaphandle. They had to ukuthi basibekele amabhakede la besihleli khona ukuthi umuntu makafuna ukuzifuma nawo amabhakede lana singaphumeli ngaphandle. Wathi umkhulu ningaphumeli ngaphandle. Hayi sahlala. Kuthe mase kuba mnyama, wathi umkhulu namhlanje niyahamba. Kuthe mase kuba mnyama wasithatha ubhuti wakhona. Makasithatha lo bhuti sahamba, masamba la sizojumpa khona. Sijumpa iCrocodile River. Uyasitshela ukuthi la kuse Crocodile River. But la sijumpela ngakhona kunamadwala, yabo. Ukuthi sikwazi ukujumpa size sijumpile ngale. Masiceda ukujumpa iCrocodile River kuba nje nefence, kube nendlela main road. Hayi mase siceda ukujumpela ngale kusebusuku manje sekumnyama. Masiceda ukujumpa samba hambe athi no, bakhona imoto ezayo izosithatha. Iqhamuke vele imoto. Bayiqhamuka sisho phakathi. Ubhuti asithathe ayosibeka eLibombo Mountain. Asibonise-ke ukuthi yabona-ke la nizohamba kanje nambe kanje, manifika nijumpe ifence, maniceda ukujumpa ifence niwelela ngaphakathi la ku-foot of the mountain.
Okay.
Yes. Hayi vele
kusebusuku ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah, and kusebusuku.
Okay.
And uyasiyala ukuthi manihamba ningagcwali indawo. Entabeni baplanta amabhomu, especially maseniphumele eMozambique. Lapho entabeni nje kunamabhomu, kugcwele amabhomu everywhere. Manihamba yenzani sure ukuthi nihamba ngeline. Sambe ngeline-ke sithi masifika-ke entabeni sesiyakhuphuka-ke intaba. Hawu sithi sakhuphuka sizwe kukhala something, yabona. Manje thina asazi ukuthi yini lekhalayo. Kanti ukhona umfana besihamba naye bathi uthanda uxolo nduna.
Okay.
Ubabakhe bokumfundisa. Uthanda uxolo athi hey, niyazi ukuthi yini lekhalayo? Sithi asazi. And leso sikhathi mayikhala lento ne kunendlu yama-commandos. Indlu yama-commandos sizwe nje nge-radar system soloku imemeza ithi ti 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 ti. And usitshelile lo bhuti ukuthi uma i-radar system mangayiqale ikhala nilale phansi la kunamadwala khona nilale phansi ngoba kugcwele amadwala manisoloku nikhuphuka intaba. Hayi sithi sakhuphuka ithi mayikhala lento sithi kanti yini lekhalayo? Athi yazi yini ibhubesi. Yo hayi sicaleke manje sichachazela. Sithi manje likhala ngoba liyasibona. Athi hayi lingangasiboni but mhlambe liyanukela ukuthi kunabantu. Athi malingaqhamuka akungabi noyi-one ozobaleka. Athi ibhubezi mawubaleka yila ligijimisa khona likhona ukukudla. Hayi sihambe njalo siyakhuphuka isoloku ikhalile i-radar system. Ithi manje-ke bese siyalala mayikhala ne sesi in between. Mayikhala silale phansi ngezisu. Sibone kudlula amahipho. Amahipho ayandlula la phezulu-ke angithi phezu kwentaba kunendlela kunane-fence.
Okay.
Amahipho ayandlula andlula amahipho abe phansi phezulu until kuze kuthule kuthi nya. And leso sikhathi abo 11 past 11 ebusuku. Kuze kuthule kuthi nya makuthula sikhuphuke futhi sikhuphuke. Mase sifika phezulu lapha kwi-foot of the mountain before sizofika kwilona kwi-peak. Before sofika kwi-peak sihlale kancane. Sihlale siphumule. Athi-ke na asilindeni ukuthi ukukhanya kancane. Uyabo? Hayi silinde kukhanye vele. Makukhanya kathi manje-ke siyajumpa. Siyojumpa one by one. So that bangazosidetector.
Okay.
Hayi sijampe size sonke siphelele.
Ningayikhi ngaleso sikhathi?
We're 8.
Okay.
8 of us. 2 from Vosloorus, 6 from Davidton.
Sure.
Masiqeda ukujampa hayi sihlale masesiwelele ngale eMozambique. Sithi-ke manje-ke batheni kithi bathi masiwelela ngapha eMozambique singagcwali indlela. Masambeni sambe ngeline so that if oyi-one unyathela ibhomu sikwazi ukuthi singazoba affected sonke.
Okay.
You understand? Siyazi ukuthi oyi-one masemshayile siyakwazi thina ukuthi sigege. You understand? Sikwazi ukubaleka and ngeline ngoba sagcwala indawo siyothola sinyathela amabhomu everywhere. Hayi sihambe vele ngoNkulunkulu amuhle. Sisinde ebhubesini nama-radar system akhala owama-commandos sasinda kumabhomu. Sahamba saze sayehla saze safika ku-main road. Lakhona kune-main road mawuceda ukwehla entabeni ngena ku-main road. Masingena ku-main road kuchamuke amasotsha ayi-2. Mawachamuka lamasotsha asimise amasotsha owangale eMozambique. Hayi basibuze ukuthi sifunani. Lucky besamba oyi-one besamba naye uMorin bekumshangana. uMorin azi isishangane kuye osi-interpretelayo thina singezwa next. Uyabo? Hayi athi lamasotsha ni jumpe kanjani lapha phezulu because lapha phezulu kuplantiwe amabhomu. Hayi simtshele ukuthi basitshelile ukuthi ke sambe ngeline singagcwali indawo. Athi lamasotsha okay asoloka sibuza imibuzo yabona ukuthi nifunani nibuyaphi nifunani ngapha nithunywa bobani ngapha. Sibatshele ukuthi no thina sifuna i-ANC. Into esilethe ngapha sifuna i-ANC nomkhonto wesizwe. Military wing ye-ANC. Bathi okay basithathe-ke basimikise e-police station. Masifika e-police station sahlala e-police station 5 days. sahlala iviki lonke epolice station. The time isihleli kanti bona abacontactana ne-ANC eMaputo.
Okay.
Ya thina angithi besiseGasha. eGasha la siphumele khona. So eMaputo ke bacontactana ne-ANC.
Okay.
After that i-ANC yathi okay baletheni. Basithatha ke after 5 days sahamba sagibela i-train. Seyisuka kuphi i-train isuka eGasha iya eMaputo. Hayi masifike eMaputo masifike esiteshini basifake ebhasini.
Okay.
Basingena kuleyo minibus basidrive. Iminibus yakhona amafastera awuboni ngaphandle masongene ngaphakathi.
So anikakafiki nala niyakhona kahle kahle.
Asikakafiki nala siyakhona.
This is a journey eyesikhathi singakanani kahle kahle? How long were you traveling for?
Yeah, ijeni yakhona for sure yasithatha a month and a half to 2. Ukuthi sifike ku-ANC. Yes.
eMaputo.
eMaputo sahamba ilanga eli-1.
Oh, okay. Mara
Yes.
ukuthi nifike ku-ANC.
Ukuthi size sifike siyithole i-ANC. Masifika ke eMaputo bayasithatha ngale bus. Basithatha ibhasi lakhona awuboni ngaphandle.
Okay.
Masongene ngaphakathi. Awuboni next nokuthi uyapi awuboni. Hayi lisithathe ibhasi nabantu abakhuluma ilanguage esingayazi like because oyi-one uyasi-interprete.
Okay.
Hayi sifike la sifika khona asikakafiki-ke ku-ANC. Indlu abasimikisa kuyo eyesecurity eyasemaputo.
Okay.
eyaseMozambique. Masifika sifike singene sihlike. Hayi kwaba ukuthi lapho sahlala almost a month. Ya sahlala a month ngoba lapho sathi masifika yila bebafuna ama-biography, sibhala ama-biography wethu, basi-interviewe, basibuze yonke le mibuzo, you understand, eyokuthi i-uncomfortable, you understand, ukuthi ubani, uthunywa ubani, anithunyangwa amabhunu, ini. Hayi soloba ngikutshela ukuthi every day besivuka sibhala i-biography. Every day uzoyibhala today uyiqede, kusasa ubhala futhi i-biography. Bafuna ukubona ukuthi are you innocent, because if you are innocent uzobhala into eyi-one vele
all the time.
You understand ukuthi ubani, uyaphi, why ulana and all that, uzalwaphi, into ezifana nalezo, ngenephi isikolo, ubani umamakho, ubani ubabakho, ubani okufake kwi-politics, yini into ekuphushile ukuthi ungene kuma-politics and all that. Babuza imibuzo nje efana naleyo.
Manje mama, I understand ukuthi uye waya from Mozambique ngathi kukhona la uye Angola khona na. How long were you in exile for? And nakhona lapho ma ngicela ngitshela ukuthi what are some of the things that you experienced during that time? Udibane nani? You know, what are some of the hurtful things that you can say ukuthi kuyenzeke so kwenzeka? What are some of the things that you encountered being in exile?
Ngisesela kule yasemaputo ne so that ngizofika kwi-Angola ngoba eMaputo yila ke bengakaqali training. You understand? Hayi uthi makuphela inyanga ke basithathe basimikise silandwe abantu be-ANC bafike. Mabafika abantu be-ANC hayi sibone ukuthi ama-South Africans now. You understand? Hayi bafike basho ukuthi kena ke phakani impahla zethu. Basitshela ukuthi sipake impahla a day before ebusuku ukuthi phakani ikhwama zenu. Sipake ikhwama zethu. Hayi ngakusasa vele ifike i-ANC isilande isimikise la kumele siyohlala khona. Masifika la kumele siyohlala khona nakhona sifike sibhale ama-biography. Yabo naleyo nto yokubhala ama-biography kaningi beyisebenza ngomqondo umuntu uyathuka ukuthi ingabe ngisendaweni e-right. You understand? Why basola ukuthi
and sisengani ngaleso sikhathi?
Uyabona sisemncane umqondo uyahlangahlangana ke manje. Hayi masiceda lapho basithathe basimikise eloneni ku-ANC basilande. Salandwa omunye ubhoti bathi umhlophe usesekhona namanje uke waba u-chief of the army kwilonto kwi-defense force. Basilande nabo Keith Mokwape basilande siye endlini ANC ke la sebayosibhalisa bona ama-biography bese bayasithatha basimikise eAngola. Yilapho ke ngathola igama ngoba bengithanda ukucula le ngoma yaka Shelly Brown, as long as you love me I'll be your right.
Oh, dear.
Bathi wena u-Shelly Brown.
Bathi Shelly, that's where Shelly Brown comes
that's
from.
where-
Sawuthola ukuthi likhama kaphi igama.
Ngoba bebangangipha elinye igama ngoba vele at the end of the day bokumele banginikeze igama elisha. Uyabona, bathi wena sikupha le gama laka Shelly Brown because uthanda nokucula, noma ngisebenza uthola ukuthi ngicula leyo ngoma bangipha lelo gama kanjalo. Akwazi kwafika-ke isikhathi sathathwa samikiswa e-Angola. Masilapho ke kukhona bayabuza ukuthi ke na-ke abobani abafuna ukuya esikolweni, abobani abafuna ukuya ku-training. Hhayi-ke kwathola ukuthi sonke lapho amakhanda ayachisa, sithi thina sifuna ukuya kwi-training, size la ukuzothatha ibhamu sibuyele ekhaya siyokhulula abantu e-South Africa. Hhayi, basithathe basimikise e-Angola. Masifike e-Angola-ke, hhayi sifike Luanda-ke, hhayi sithola ukuthi hhayi sise-transit camp, but hhayi la kuseViana i-transit camp le.
Okay.
Hhayi, I'm sure sahlala e-transit camp into engenza 1 month.
Okay.
Before siya basimikisa kuma-camps la siyotraina khona. From Luanda I went to East eKakulama. La ngatraina khona, ngenza khona i-basic training. Yeah, kwakunzima. It was tough. Uyazi when you are not at school, kuyafika naleyo nto eyokukhumbula ekhaya. You understand, ukukhale, uyabona, but anyway impilo eyayilapho sagcina sijwayele. Sagcina sijwayele kangangokuba yazi mawuku-training besitrainwa politically, sitrainwa militarily, because we were told ukuthi ke na-ke isotsha elilwela isizwe, you must have politics. Your gun, behind your gun there must be strong politics. Uwazi ukuthi noma ubuyela ekhaya ubani i-enemy yakho exactly. Yes.
Sure.
Uyayibona into efana nale. Hayi satraina sathi masiceda i-basic training, I went to Cuba.
From Angola to Cuba?
From Angola to Cuba.
Okay.
Yeah, Angola, masuka siya e-Cuba, we're a group of 60. Yeah, we're a group of 60. Kukhona abayokwenza i-course eyama-commandos. Commandos, rural and urban commandos course. Kusho ukuthi lawo ma-course yila noqeqeshwa khona ukuthi nikwazi ukungena ukubuya sibuye sizolwa inside the country namabhunu. Kukhona ama-commandos nama-special force.
Okay.
Yes, i-training ke leyo esasiyele ke lapho ke. I trainer as a special force eloneni eCuba for 11 months.
Okay.
Abuya ke eCuba, mangibuya eCuba deploywa eTanzania. La ngangisebenza khona eTanzania. Labo khona iSolomon Mahlangu Freedom College.
Okay.
I went there eTanzania. Ngahlala khona, ngasebenza khona, ngisebenzela i-organization. Until kwaze kwafika isikhathi esalama talks abo resolution 435. La thola ukuthi kwakumele sisuke manje e-Angola, abantu basuke e-Angola bahambe kuyiwe Uganda, Tanzania and all that.
Yeah.
Uyabona yila watholakala ukuthi mangibuya ngiya eTanzania.
From Cuba.
From Cuba.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
To elonini. Ngithe but mangibuya ngabuyela eLusaka.
Okay.
eLusaka yila kwatholakala ukuthi manje sekuyabuya kuyaphunywa vele e-Angola. Bangideploya elonini eTanzania.
Tanzania.
Ya la ngasebenza khona eTanzania until ufike isikhathi esokuthi sibuye ekhaya.
Nabuye ekhaya.
Yeah, sabuya eSouth Africa.
Sure, this was after how many years?
It was after I left 1985. Sabuya 1992 ubuya la.
From 1985 until 92.
1992.
Yo.
Yes.
Okay. So, mawubuya to South Africa enjani? Kunjani?
Sathi masibuya okay, kwathiwa no siyabuya ekhaya, kuyakhulunywa ama-talks and all that, but it was not safe still. Because amabhunu bewasatshontsha abantu. Bokuliwa kahle because nempi le yakubothokoza bese sila inside the country. Makubulawa abantu bothokoza, abantu kudutshulwa abantu eKhumalo Street and all that. Uyayibona leyo nto, izimpi zakubothokoza bese sibuyile. Bese sibuyile abanye bethu noma besibuya drips and drops yabona, but bokusaliwa, bona bokusaliwa.
Okay.
Yeah, and really, yeah, it was painful. Mase sizwa ukuthi now we are going around the table with the enemy.
Oh.
Kusho ukuthi manje sesiyothatha ilizwe ephepheni, you understand? Of which sabona ukuthi yeah, asiyizo as sisabona na today ukuthi yabona ilona impi eniwine ephepheni. Ayibi fully. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, liberation yakhona, as we see today, we are not totally liberated.
Completely liberated.
Completely. Exactly.
Just before ngena kahle into Women's League, I just want to understand ukuthi what was going through your mind at that time ukuthi as a 16-year-old uyeke umndeni wakho. You left everything, you left your life, you left everything. La wahamba into exile to come back and fight for the country. What was going through your mind? And understand ukuthi khona that homesick ukhumule ekhaya. What was going through your mind? I mean, you can imagine ukuthi bakutshela ukuthi kunebhubezi ngapha kunamabhomu ngapha. What was going through your mind during that whole period? Yonke leminyaka where you were there. Bekwenzakalani nje? Young as you were.
Yazi, the way youth young about 80s, the way we were so militant. In my mind, bongekho enye into sis. Bokuthi I want to train and go back ekhaya ngiyobulala amabhunu. And leso sikhathi mangisuka la ngoba sasiboshiswe imeya. Imeya leso sikhathi babethu uThomboya, kwakumThomboya. Imeya yase Daveyton. Ngangitshela ukuthi mangibuya itarget yami yokuqala ngiyoqala ngayo if ngiyomthola seseyimeya. Ngiyoqala ngaye uThomboya. You understand? Because of leyo anger, besine anger. You understand? Mina into beyila kimi nje bokuyimpi. Nothing else but nje ukuthi I must go back and liberate the masses in South Africa. Yinto nje ebeyila emqondweni wami.
Nje. Yo, sesilama. Sila, we are here. You are now the president of the Women's League, ma'am. If I could ask ukuthi, what is the core role of the Women's League within Umkhonto weSizwe Party?
Idona role eye Women's League kumkhonto weSizwe. Right now, our role it's to build.
Okay.
Build a militant women ukuthi ke bazoba politically babe naleyo political consciousness. You understand?
Yeah.
Ukuthi ke sikwazi uku-advance the total emancipation of women in South Africa. Yes. Iyo nje engayisho and ukuthi ke si contribute ukulona to ilona i-socio economic lonto transformation la eSouth Africa singabomama. As we know singabomama ukuthi there are so many things ukuthi sibhekene nazo uyabo
in the country.
In the country. Ukuthi sikwazi ukukhulula abomama ngokuphelele.
Yeah.
Abomama, we are oppressed ngendlela eziningi. Manje into i-Women's League okwethu ukuthi sikwazi ukukhulula abomama, particularly abomama abomuzi onsundu. Abomama abasebenzayo, abomama ukuthi ke bakhululeke, abomama basemakhaya, bakwazi nokuthi bakwazi ukuthola iy'nsiza ozokuthi bakwazi ukusebenza. Siyazi ukuthi emakhaya abomama they believe ekulimeni, but they don't have enough land. Ukuthi abomama they must have that access into land. Bakwazi ukuthi bakhululeke economically. Yes.
Sure. Mama, what would you say makes Umkhonto weSizwe Women's League different from all the other political women's leagues ezikhona?
Yeah, ilona i-difference inkulu sisi, you understand. Okokucala uyabona yona i-party ngokwani. It's an MK party. I-party eyokuthi i-party kahle egcwele amasotsha. I-party yokuthi makayisungula ubaba kulande amasotsha. You understand? Wathi ngisungula le party and ngifuna ukuthi kule party we must build this party. I-party okufanele kube nomehluko, not lento lip service eyenziwa amanye ama-party. Ukuthi we mean what we are doing. We must mean what we are doing. Iyo into engayisho ukuthi a difference ukuthi thina singamakhosikazi omkhonto wesizwe. We want to liberate women. Women totally. When I say we want to liberate women, I'm talking about a total liberation. Not amakhosikazi as we speak right now. Amakhosikazi they are not empowered. Amakhosikazi when coming to decision making, amakhosikazi they are not there. They are not involved. You understand? Sithathelwa ama-decisions because we are women. You understand? Manje thina singamakhosikazi omkhonto wesizwe. We want to empower our women politically, economically, socially. Sifuna ukuthi ke our women, we want to build leaders. Kumakhosikazi, leaders who will be able to participate kulezinto engicede ukuzisho like kuma decision making. Women must sit on that table.
Sure.
Singathathelwa ama-decisions.
And I'm assuming those are some of the things that amakhosikazi, where the Women's League, where Umkhonto weSizwe will be looking to drive when MK Party assumes power one day. I'm assuming izinto focus kuzo.
Yes, izinto lezi esifocus kuzo. Izinto esifocus kuzo lezi ukuthi we must start now in our organization. We must put that in practice. Uma sithi ku-organization, we want to sit on this table, yama-decision makers.
Okay, Mama, you mentioned ukuthi amakhosikazi we-Women's League, abafazi, they're ready. But currently in the top structures, Mama, when you're looking abroad, ukuthi there's only one woman in the top structure in terms of leadership. I would just like to know, ukuthi, from when, what is your view on that?
Yeah, that one, it's totally wrong. Even our leadership really faneke bayayibona nabo ukuthi it's wrong ukuthi umfazi phakathi kwamadoda ayi-7 umfazi abe-1. It's totally wrong. We want women, we even naku top 8 ye party. we want women in all structures because lento iyehlela phansi ize iyofika down kuma-VDs whereby uthola kuyi-boys choir. Abafazi abafazi ingathi thina we can't think. Thina abafazi there's a certain portion ekumele siyenze efanele abafazi ukuthi thina we can't do it. You understand? As women, I think abafazi faneke i-organization ifunde ukuthi lento silwelayo silwelayo manje siyi-organization ukuthi sikwazi ukuyipractice manje before sithathe ilizwe ngoba ilizwe lona sizolithatha. Uyabona 2029 sizolithatha ilizwe, sizowuthatha umbuso ubuye ezandleni zomkhonto wesizwe, but we must go there ku-2029 si-ready, si-fit
politically educated.
Yeah, politically educated. Even nabo baba bethu sikwazi ukuthi kenake babe politically educated ukuthi umfazi into yasekhishini, umfazi asumuntu owomsebenzi othize anyeke azawenze. We want women in leadership. We want women in leadership. Uma sithi 60, uma sithi kenake 60-40 njengoba bayi-8 lapha kulona faneke ngabe mhlambe abafazi sinabafazi at least abayi-3, amadoda-ke abeyi-5, angithi sithi 40. Exactly. But manje uthola ukuthi manje naku-task team uyibonile i-task team. I-task team yona ngokwayo how many are they?
Boys choir.
But kunomama oyi-1. Is it because women we cannot yes, it's because thina abomama singeke sikwazi ukuba ku-leadership kuleyo level.
Do we lack
skills or do we lack capacity? Singabomama mhlambe sibonakala singabantu abangana capacity kanti abomama i-capacity ikhona, igalosisi i-capacity igcwele kubomama. There are leaders abangangena kulama structures from abomama and ibonakale ilona yabo i-presence yabo izwakale.
They can lead.
But mina ngibona ingathi siyasatshwa yilabo baba yabona. Abobaba bayasaba.
That's why kune-oppression.
Yeah, this is oppression deliberately because abobaba they are afraid of us. Abomama angithi masenze izinto senza izinto zenzeke. Uyabona namanje if you can see kwi-organization yonke iphelele ukuthi which structure esigijimayo right now sikhuluma ngabomama. Abomama they are all over. Abomama we are on the ground. I-organization ayikakaqali manje ama-door to door but thina abomama sesiwaqalile ama-door to door. Recruitment drive, door to door, sisestradini every day. Abomama anyeke uze uswele sebenzela le organization yethu kusho ukuthi thina okwethu ukuthi silethe abantu nje bese siyahlala ke bese siyasuppressa kuthiwa thanks nibalethile abantu thina will lead you. You understand? We want to lead.
We want to lead and we are ready
because we are capable
and we are ready to lead.
And we are ready to lead.
One of the things that women are faced with or are struggling kakhulu la in South Africa is we're looking at social injustices, we're looking at gender-based violence, and we're also looking at we are striving for women to be, like you were saying, fully emancipated and fully free, liberated. When we're talking economic empowerment, how is the amakhosikazi we umkhonto wesizwe, how are you planning on ensuring ukuthi those are some of the things that we are free from and we are kune balance? Masibuka kanjalo.
Yeah, ngingathi as bengishilo ukuthi kenake we want to emancipate women, as you have said it ukuthi kune problem ye gender based violence, kune problem ye femicide, kune problem ye poverty kubafazi, kune problem kusho ukuthi nje abafazi they are exploited. You understand, as women into esifuna nje ukuyenza ukuthi amakhosikazi we have to be mentally, we must make sure that all women they become mentally liberated because the thing it start la ukuthi we have to be mentally liberated ukuze sikwazi zonke lezi zinto lezi zenzeke, because right now we still have women or ababeliever ukuthi no, I can't do anything without a man next to me. A woman must be able. A woman must know ukuthi kenake unayo i-capacity. Abanye banayo i-capacity but banaleyo fear eyokuthi no, I can't do this. You understand? Umuntu asuke nje abe ne-inferiority complex. Yiyo into esifuna ukulona ukuyiqeda kubomama ukuze umama akwazi ukuthi I must be a free woman in my country. You understand?
Free and safe, free and safe.
Free, yes.
Free and safe.
I must be free. I must be safe in my country. You understand? Today, women are not free. Women are being killed all over. Our children are being killed. And yonke lezi zinto ezenzakalayo sisi zishaya kumuntu wesifazane. You understand? Zishaya lakithi as abantu besifazane, as inzala abantu. You understand?
No, ngiyakuthola mama. You mentioned ukuthi you want women to be involved in the decision making. Ushilo ukuthi you want abafazi ukuthi to also be part of that. I'd like to know ukuthi as Umkhonto weSizwe Women's League, how does the league influence policies in Umkhonto weSizwe, the party, the broader party?
I think enye into sisi yazi okumele siyenze ne. Okokuqala, training is very much important. Political education is very much important, so that every woman must know that if we are politically educated, you'll know ukuthi kenake faneke kwenzakaleni singabomama, and sizokwazi ukuthi kenake sikwazi uku-influencer ama-policies within the organization. Ukuthi kenake nathi sibe fit in. You understand? Kuma-policies, in each and every policy, we must participate. That is why ngithe mina, we must participate. Ekwenzeni ama-policies, ekuthatheni ama-decisions as women. And the training is very much important. Training in leadership, training in political education is very much important. Academically, it's very much important. Nakhona.
When are we launching? We
wanted to launch a Women's League last year in August, but kwaba khona indaba zokuthi no, i-Women's League kusho ukuthi bengakahlangani kahle.
Okay.
Because i-Women's League we were divided into two.
Okay.
Kwenzakala la divided into two khona ukuthi asikwazi ukuthi kenake ingalontshwa kuseseso until ubaba angeneleleke. Wangenelela ubaba last year ngo-August wakhetha i-structure se-Women's League formally. La ke sakhethwa khona ke si-date ukuthi silide i-Women's League, and mina ngilide as indona president ye-Women's League.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are some of the things that umphakathi can look forward to as when the league is officially launched? Sesazi ukuthi okay ikhona, what are some of the things that we can look forward to?
Yeah. Enye into ke ukuthi mase silaunchile ke, I think enye into okumele siyenze singamakhosikazi esiplana ukuthi kenake siyenze ukuthi sihlangane nalawa amanye ama-organization, abo-civil society, ama-organization lawa ukuthi sizoqhuba umzabalazo sisonke together, kusizwane, even namanye amakhosikazi outside the country, inside the country, different organizations. You understand? Kuhlanganwe singamakhosikazi because silwa impi eyodwa. Yes.
So
iyo into esplana ukuthi sithi siqhubeka ngomzabalazo wabafazi, siqhubeke sazi. Siqhubeke sazi, simobilize. Ukumobilize yiko very much important. ukuthi ke simobilize abafazi for the socio-economic transformation in South Africa, ne-representation yabafazi in leadership and in governance. Ukuthi abafazi bakwazi ukuthi babe khona ku-government. Since right now siya kuma-local elections. As Women's League, we expect and we are going to submit the names of women nationally. Okumele bangene as councillors, okumele bangene as mayors. Mangikhuluma ukuthi i-leadership faneke babe leadership in governance. Ngikhulumela ey'ntweni ezifana nalezo, and to champion ama-policies that will promote ilonto i-women economic empowerment ezokwazi ukuthi yenze inikeze, like njengoba bengishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi sibe amakhosikazi like ma-rural areas bakwazi ukuthi babe ne-access to land.
True.
You understand? Because i-land yiyo into emtho, i-land yiyo into ukuthi eyokuqala nje kuzo zonke izinto, because without land you can do nothing. Without i-land. Silwela ke lezo zinto ke lezo ukuthi women must have an access. And enye into ke ukulwela ke ukulwa against ukuhlukumezeka kwabomama, i-GBV, abo femicide and all forms of oppression. Yes.
Mangabuza ke ukuthi mama, just one more thing ukuthi what message do you have to abafazi basadi ba who are in from the MK Women's League? What message do you have for abafazi basadi who are in South Africa?
Into engayisho kumakhosikazi wase South Africa ukuthi amakhosikazi, it's high time now ukuthi amakhosikazi azimele. Amakhosikazi athathe amakhosikazi must take their positions. Amakhosikazi kumele aphakame, akwazi ukuzilwela. Akekho umuntu ozosiphakamela asilwele singamakhosikazi. Kuzo zonke lezi zinto engizikhaunthile, i-oppression esisafara under yona. Abafazi ukuthi manje bakwazi ukuthi they can do it.
It's possible.
It's possible. Yonke into it's possible until umama azitshele akhululeke ngokomqondo ukuthi you know what, there is nothing engangihlula as a woman. As long as I have two hands, ngiphelele, ayikho into engangihlula. I have brains to think. Ayikho into engangihlula ngumama. Abomama yila khona izinto zabomama zizoma zikwazi ukuthi ke si advance to i-goal esifunayo singabomama. I-goal yethu angithi nazi ukuthi sifuna i-50-50 ukuthi ukuthi makulinganwe sisi, ukuthi makulinganwe, because there is nothing really engahlula ukuthi siyenze emsebenzini. Till today sisakhuluma ukuthi ke khona imisebenzi la men they earn more than abafazi, whilst you are doing the same job, or you are carrying same qualifications
and
because
experience,
you are a woman. And experience, because you are a woman. You understand? Ziningi izinto man esisafara kuzo. Abomama ngathanda ukusho ukuthi bomama makuphele into yokuthi umama umuntu wasekhishini nje, umuntu wasebedroom nasekhishini. No, isiphelile leso sikhathi sokumama wasebedroom nasekhishini. Abomama silapha estradini, fanele sibe estradini siyolwela amalungelo wethu on the ground. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi abomama they must be able ukuthi bathathe ama-decisions. Abomama they must be able ukuthi ke benze izinto zenzeke eSouth Africa. Without abomama we are in numbers, sibaningi. But abobaba bayas overpower. Ukuthi kanjani abomama ukuthi sikhululeke ngokomqondo ukuthi Asiyo yonke into yokuthi izophumelela ngoba khona ubaba eduze kwakamama. Uyaphumelela umama ubaba angekho eduze kwakho. You can take decisions ubaba angekho eduze kwakho. Khona abomama abangama-single parents, abomama abakhulisa abantwana babodwa, la umama uthatha ama-decisions. Lama-decisions lawo okwazi ukwathatha ekhaya nabantwana, yiwo lawo ofanele ukwazi uphumele ngaphandle. Uphumele ngaphandle uthi mina ngumama ngithi ke it's enough. It's enough with oppression kubomama. You understand? Abomama isikhathi manje ukuthi abomama masiphakame silwele amalungelo ethu. Singabomama, we must be totally emancipated.
Not just lip service.
Not just lip service.
I know, Mama Nyabonga. There's nothing that I can add more than la so khulumile ubuyile puo pha. Raleboha Mama, thank you so much for being part of us and just giving us that education and that encouragement. Hore le basadi re emelle as lutlile hore basadi mfazi woman transformation is imminent. As Mam Shelley Brown said, hore it is possible only if you put your mind to it. Stop got this whole inferiority complex na Norwena, you can't. It is possible only if wabatla. For today re qetella hona mo mara ska lebala re tlo le fumana next time. From myself Bulengwa Hasekabate, Commander, morning.